Every day, thousands of thoughts pass through your mind. Most of them come and go without notice. But some thoughts, the negative ones, stick like glue. They replay again and again, creating loops of fear, self-doubt, or procrastination. And the more they repeat, the stronger they get. But what if I told you there's a way to break this cycle instantly? To literally rewire your brain in the moment a negative thought appears. This is where one of the most powerful techniques in neuro-linguistic programming comes in. It's called the Swish Pattern. And once you learn it, you'll never look at your own mind the same way again. Before I show you how to use it, let's understand why it works. Your brain operates on associations. Every thought is like a chain reaction. One image, one feeling, one inner voice leads to the next. When you imagine failing at something, your brain connects that image with a feeling of fear, which then triggers behaviors like hesitation, avoidance, or procrastination. Over time, these associations become automatic. This is because of a principle in neuroscience called Hebbian learning. Neurons that fire together, wire together. The more often you replay a negative scenario, the deeper the groove becomes in your brain's wiring. That's why old thought patterns can feel so hard to change. But here's the secret. The brain can be interrupted. It can be rewired. If you insert a new, empowering image at the exact moment the old one tries to fire, you literally weaken the old circuit and strengthen the new one. The Swish Pattern is designed to do exactly that. So, here's how it works. Step 1. Bring to mind a recurring negative thought. Maybe it's seeing yourself freeze in a social situation. Maybe it's imagining failure before an important task. Whatever it is, picture it clearly. See it as if it's playing on a screen right in front of you. Step 2. Change the qualities of this mental image. Make it small. Make it dim. Drain the color. Push it farther away until it looks weak and powerless. Now step 3. In the corner of that image, bring in a new, powerful self-image. This is you at your best. Confident, focused, successful. See yourself as you want to be. Standing tall, speaking clearly, acting decisively. Make this image bright, vivid, and colorful. Now comes the swish. In your mind, let the small, dark, negative image explode backward as the positive, powerful image rushes forward and fills the screen. Hear a swish sound as the transformation happens. Do it quickly, almost like a snap of the fingers. Repeat this process 5 to 7 times. Each time, start with the negative picture small and weak, then instantly replace it with the positive one bursting forward. By the last repetition, your brain will find it harder to bring back the old negative image, because the new one is now the dominant circuit. This is more than imagination. Brain imaging studies show that when you visualize vividly and attach emotional intensity, your neurons fire as if the experience is real. By practicing the Swish Pattern, you are literally retraining your subconscious to favor confidence over fear, empowerment over doubt. Here's the key: consistency. The first time you do this, you might feel a shift, but the real power comes with repetition. Just like training a muscle, the more you swish, the stronger your new thought pattern becomes. Now let me give you an example. Imagine a student who panics before speaking in class. Every time the teacher calls their name, they see a mental movie of themselves stumbling, forgetting words, and looking foolish. This inner movie triggers anxiety automatically. But once they learn the Swish Pattern, each time the fear image comes up, they instantly replace it with a vivid scene of themselves speaking confidently, the class listening attentively, and the teacher smiling. After practicing, their subconscious begins to expect success instead of failure. The anxiety fades, replaced by confidence. This works because your subconscious doesn't care about reality versus imagination. It only responds to what you feed it repeatedly. And once the new program is stronger than the old one, your behaviors naturally change. Let's practice this together right now. Think of a negative thought that's been bothering you lately. Hold it in your mind for a moment. See it clearly, then shrink it down, make it gray, push it away. Now, in its place, bring forward an image of yourself achieving, succeeding, thriving. Brighten it, enlarge it, make it so real you can feel it in your body. And now, swish. Let the old image shatter as the new one takes over. Do this again and again. Notice the shift in your emotional state. What you just experienced is your brain rewiring in real time. You don't need years of repeating affirmations or endless willpower. With the right technique, change can be immediate. But remember, the swish pattern is not about denying reality. It's about teaching your brain a new response, one that supports you instead of sabotaging you. So the next time a negative thought tries to hijack your mind, don't fight it. Swish it. Replace it instantly with the version of you that you want to become. Over time, that version becomes your default. This is the power of NLP. And this is just one technique. In the next episode, we'll explore another powerful tool, anchoring, a way to summon confidence, motivation, or calm in an instant, using nothing more than a simple gesture or touch. So, stay with me in this series. Your mind is not fixed. Your patterns are not permanent. You have the power to reprogram your brain. And the swish pattern is your first step to freedom.